everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you are done using your Trust Wallet application for the day and you'd like to log out of it, then let me show you how. Let me first open my Trust Wallet application and make sure you are into your home page. From the main home page of Trust Wallet, in order to log out of it, tap on the Settings button at the lower right-hand corner. This will open up your settings menu. Tap on the Wallets option at the top and right where it says Main Wallet, tap on the Info button. This will take you to this page over here. Before logging out of your Trust Wallet account, first make sure that you back up your recovery phrase. Tap on Show Recovery Phrase and tap on I understand the risk. Tap Continue and on the next page, your recovery phrase will be displayed. If you log out of your Trust Wallet without copying those recovery phrases, you won't be able to get back into the wallet again. You'll lose your funds and won't be able to access to your wallet. So in that case, tap on the copy button, copy all of the phrases and store it somewhere else safe. Once you copy the phrases, go back and make sure that you are in this page over here. In order to log out, simply swipe your wallet towards the left hand side and in the pop-up that asks you if you want to delete this wallet, tap on Delete. Now, to log it back again, you can go ahead and paste in the recovery phrases that you just copied before logging out. Tap on I already have a wallet. Tap on your multi-coin wallet option at the top and paste in the recovery phrases. Now tap Import and that way you'll be able to log back in to your Trust Wallet using your iPhone. Tap OK and start using. That is how you can easily log out of your Trust Wallet application if you are done using the application for the day. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.